315 West Chicago Avenue, Pinebluff, North Carolina. This is a must-see 1,311 square foot home on a quiet street in Pinebluff. This 3-bed, 1.5 bath home has too many updates to show you. This cute home has classic lines outside but really shines inside. If you're looking to downsize or just buy a first home, check this one out. Updates include new flooring, fresh paint, and a changeable floor plan inside. Convenient to Fort Bragg and Camp Mackall when you walk in the front. You enter this living room which connects to a hallway and the bedrooms and baths, one of which for now acts like a second family room or entertainment room. This extremely roomy eat-in kitchen has beautiful cabinets, refrigerator, dishwasher, ceiling fan, and a chef-quality KitchenAid stove that will highlight your cooking skills. A tankless water heater provides an endless supply of hot water, and don't be alarmed, unless you want to be, with this ADT security system. But the largest part of this 0.66 acre lot lies inside a very large wooden privacy fenced backyard. The shed in the backyard is 32 feet long and 12 feet wide and sits under the countless longleaf pine trees that keep the backyard covered in low-maintenance pine straw year-round. This backyard is ready for your imagination to take hold. Come see 315 West Chicago Avenue in Pinebluff today. You will be glad that you did. To see this property, call Southern Partners and More at 910-236-3030. Southern Partners and More, your key to a happy move.